I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You're my TikTok guy, like the way you're so low. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs so I can on. You're my TikTok guy. It all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Is it too much to ask? A simple click. Feeling really anxious, I refresh the page. Still no new notifications. Still no one in your life. Baby, you're my number one FYP. Share with other people but you notice me. I wish we could be more. Why don't you look my way? Hey, I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk bad, you look so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. You make it talk guy. Hey, hey, hey. Then one day I think that all my prayers finally were heard. Sadly now I find a better TikTok guy. I think it is love 'cause I love your profile. You make it talk guy, you like it so well. I'm having a fever 'cause you're so hot. Please answer my DMs, I like it a lot. You make it talk guy. You, you, you. You make it talk guy. You, 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 you. was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months still with me. I still play all the songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. And I still wear your t-shirt to bed, and I all started when I saw your page. Seeing your smile, you took my breath away. I feel like I haven't known you forever. I love every word you say. Baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me. I wish we could be